Hey guys, Scott here with Reviews today to install this countertop. Now what I mean by install, it may look like it's installed, but when I bought this house, the countertops were not actually tied down at all to the vanity. So today I'm going to go ahead and actually make sure that that is actually attached. So it's really easy, it's really quick, so let me just show you in probably about 2 or 3 minutes. As you can see, this countertop, or the vanity top, is not attached at all. I don't know why they would do that. They installed the vanity top, but they didn't actually tie the vanity top down to the vanity. And then also the vanity itself is just, it's not screwed in anywhere. So I can do that too, but today's focus is going to be just attaching the vanity top here to the vanity. And really we're going to do that with basically one product, caulking. So for this job, you're really only going to need a couple things. You're going to need an adjustable wrench to take off the hot and cold water. Take off the tubes. Some good quality silicone caulking or caulking, and then also your caulking gun. Alright, so we are underneath the vanity here, and really you're just going to have to disconnect a few things. So obviously everyone's is going to look a little bit different. Mine just happens to be this flexible hose, so it's really easy. I'm just going to unscrew this guy from here, and that's going to allow the drain to come off. And then all you're going to do is disconnect or unscrew this guy right here, this nut, from the cold and the hot. But don't forget, righty-tighty, to turn the water connections to the off position before you loosen any of these guys up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, disconnect those two, and then unscrew that, and then we'll be able to just take the whole vanity top right off. All right, so as you can see, I've disconnected this, and I've also disconnected the hot and cold water pipes. So now we can actually take the whole countertop off, and then I'll show you what to do next. All right, so now that we have the countertop off, you can just see it's real simple. All we're really gonna do is just lay a nice thick bead of caulking all the way around here. Again, pretty simple, just lay it all the way around here. And then I'm gonna use, well, I have these clamps. You don't have to use them, but it just makes for a better seal if you use these clamps. And basically I just clamp down the front because that's kind of where you put the most weight and all that kind of good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But before I do that, I'm also going to be tying this guy to the wall. I think these people tried to use some really crappy drywall anchors, as you can see. I'm gonna find the studs and just drill into the studs with my handy dandy stud buddy here. And all I'm gonna do is just kind of, I mean, obviously there's gonna be a stud in the corner, but hopefully I can find a stud here somewhere in the middle. I'll be able to, like I said, just drill directly into the studs. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright, now that we've got the side and the back tied to the wall, and this thing's not going anywhere, now we'll go ahead and take our caulking. This is crack-proof premium. It says waterproof, paintable, trim doors. So we'll go ahead and load this into our good old caulking gun, and we'll just lay a really nice thick bead over the entire surface here. Next thing is just to lay the countertop back on. Okay, this is kind of the tricky part. Not trying to squish your fingers in here. Without, do it nice and slowly. Like I said, not to kill your fingers while you're doing this. Let's see here. Looks about right to me, so just push down all around, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clamp it, because I have my handy dandy DeWalt clamps here. All right, guys, so that's pretty much all there is to it. Later, once this dries, I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect my plumbing connections here. So, like I said, I've got my clamps here, and that's really it. It's really easy, really quick. You just disconnect the stuff, put the caulking, clamp it I just clamp it overnight, and it'll be super solid in the morning, and reconnect your connections there. So this has been Skyward Reviews. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more great content. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.